Okay, this is Science Week 28, Day 2. And if you remember, we left off yesterday that you're part of an avalanche rescue team. Today, you're going to be searching areas to find those skiers. So your team is the red team, so you are here. And the yellow team is over there in the area next to you. So you are going to communicate with each other what you are finding. So you're going to watch the video, and you're going to see a series of flashes of light. So you are going to write down what is your message from 2B. You may have to watch this several times to figure out exactly how it's working, but remember that you're going to have two possibilities. You're going to have the message you might get an X, which means it's all clear and no one is there, or you might get a number and then an H that will let you know that there are people there and telling you the number that are hurt. You're going to want to remember these, and you might want to make a little drawing, or you'll want to refer back to this, because tomorrow for the assessment, you're going to need to be able to indicate on the map where the skiers are and how many there are. So do pay close attention to this. So you will write down what the message from 2B was, and you'll just write that in words. On the next slide, you're going to see a picture here, and this is what your area looks like. So you're going to decide, are there any skiers down or not? And you'll decide what message you're going to send to the other team. And remember, you are in the area 1B. Okay, so you'll decide what message you're going to send, and then you're going to go ahead and write it in words right here where it says your message, and then you're going to encode it, and then you'll put what it is in Morse code. So you will send that. Do not worry about sharing it on Flipgrid. We're not going to worry about that, but that's where you are in 1B. You're going to move on, and now the yellow team is in 2A, and you are in 1A, and you're going to be looking again for skiers in that area. So here's your message from the yellow team on the video. You're going to once again decode that message so that you can write down in words what they're sending you. And then here's your picture of your area. So you need to decide, what message am I going to send to the yellow team? And with that, you will go to the message place. You'll write in words what your message is in this box. This is words. And then here you're going to write it what it is in Morse code. So that is the end of that one. Again, like I said, you're going to want to keep track of what you have, because tomorrow for your assessment, you're going to show where those skiers are.